For this sort, you will be sorting your sounds into the CH ch sound and the SH sh sound. First, let's take a look at what your pictures are. You have a ship, chin, cheese, shadow, shelf, chimney, shell, shoe, shirt, chick, chair, and check. So let's sort our pictures. Shadow has the sh sound, so it goes under SH. Shelf has the sh, SH sound. Chick has the CH ch sound. Cheese has the CH ch sound. Ship has the SH sh sound. Shell has the SH sh sound. Shoe has the SH sh sound. Chin has the CH ch sound. Chimney has the CH ch sound. Shirt has the SH sh sound. Chair has the CH ch sound. Last, you have check. Check has the CH ch sound. So in our CH category, you should have chick, cheese, chin, chimney, chair, and check. Your SH category contains shelf, shadow, shell, ship, shirt, and shoe.